If Lost Records Bloomin' Rage is not launching, there are a few potential solutions to try. Here's a checklist of common troubleshooting steps you can follow. 1. Check system requirements. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to run the game. If your hardware or software is outdated, the game might fail to launch. 2nd, update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause issues with launching games. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your system. 3. Disable background programs. Sometimes other programs, such as antivirus software or background apps, interfere with game launches. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall programs. Close unnecessary programs using Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. 4. Run as administrator. Some games require administrative permissions to run properly. Try launching the game as an administrator. Right-click the game's launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. Check for software conflicts. Some background software may conflict with the game. Ensure that programs like screen recording software, overlays, e.g. Discord, Steam, or any other third-party utilities aren't causing the issue. 6. Check for known issues. Visit the game's community forums, such as Steam discussions or official social media channels, to see if other players are experiencing the same issue. Sometimes there may be a known fix or workaround for specific bugs. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contacting the game's support team with details about your problem might be the next step. They may be able to help identify the problem